Hey guys, this is Business Plus on your way today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. So guys, today I've dropped two VIP, two premium signals in the premium channel. So guys, let me show you how I came about this true profit, and the two of them were in massive profit. Alright. So I'm using lot size of 5. And please guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I would just want you to kindly do so, please. Now the number one thing that I used to tell all my students is if you want to check for the chart, number one, check for the trend. Alright, so this is showing us a downtrend, and you can see my area of entry. You can see my entry point is at this point. Now the question is, why do I make my entry at this point? Now let me go back to 1 hour time frame. Alright, you see on 1 hour time frame, as you can see that the end of this candlestick has happened. Then we have a retest up at this point. All right, now let me go back to 15 minutes time frame. So you see on 15 minutes time frame, you can see this particular candle is the one that I followed down to make my sell entry. And as you can see with this particular signal, it has been selling, it has been selling for, this is 15, 30, 45 minutes. All right, so at the 45 minutes, I know that it's gonna give me more down entries. So until it breaks through all these particular places. Okay, so we have at zone a very small zone at this point, which is which is at this area. All right, so let me use another line so that you can get me more better. So we have something at this point. All right, so when it breaks down here, I know it's gonna come to this point here, which it later pass through this point, and see presently it's going down. As you can see, this is profit, right? So let's go to H4 time frame to see. All right, so this time should be the best time for me to take my close of the trade. All right, the best time if I don't want to fucked up, if I don't want to mixed up. All right, so you see this is a very strong support area here, you see, on H4 time frame, mind you, and this is another. So on a smaller time frame, it's gonna be a very strong support, you can see. So it has gotten to this point here. So, and at this point it's telling me that, hey guy, it's time for you to close me up. Probably that's where I should set my take profit, you see. So these are the 3 major areas that we have on this. Okay, so it's a very good sell. And also I want you to know something, that we are having a hem pattern here, you see. We have M pattern. All right, double top, double top, double top. All right, it goes up like this, come down, goes up, then come down, and probably when it breaks through this point, it's coming down to, it's heading down to, don't let me go too far, let me say around this point, because we have a lot of broken candles around this area. So when it breaks through all these 3 lines, it's gonna come down here, and that doesn't mean that spike will not happen, guys. So don't misunderstand me, that doesn't mean that spike will not happen. So with further ado, let me go to crash 500. So we are on crash 500 for a buy, and this is telling me also that it's time that I should take my leave of this trade. All right, see, we're having this point here. Okay, we are having this point here. You can see the support is also strong, but when it breaks through all those lines of support, definitely it's gonna come up here. Okay, so let's go to 1 minute time frame. You see it has been buying for a very long time now. All right, so we have a lot of things that you could look at that will make you to have rest of mind that you're trading on a very good signal. And on M5 time frame for crash 500 index, we have, it has been buying for how many minutes now? Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 25, then 30 minutes now. Yeah, that's been buying for 30 minutes. You should know that's huge. All right, guys, you can see this is live trade for boom 500 and crash 500 in this. Now let's go to higher time frame of D1. You see, so it has sold for a very long time, and the buying on D1 might get to this, all right, this area, even if it will continue with its downtrend. All right, so most times on higher time frame, what we're trading on bigger time frame might be a slight or minimum retracement on higher time frame, so it's very possible. So what we're after is just making money and making money and making money, guys. So please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I just want you to smash the subscribe button, and also click on the like button, or you can click on the subscribe button and smash the like button. So guys, I'm signing out on this net plus. So guys, we are winning on both trade. We are winning on both trades. See, it has gotten to the previous line. So I would like to stop the video now and take my profit. So guys, please subscribe to encourage me to drop another beautiful video for you. Bye. Stay blessed.